have been impressed with the girls so far. Left on their own, they have showered in the rain and used the water from the bean bags and not disturbed the water for the tanks in the tarp. Very clever girls. They have explored, they've found shelter, looked for food, and gathered. They seem to automatically learn to survive on meeting the Calico caveman. I think I'm onto something here, people. That's right, ladies. Welcome to your journey back to feraldom. It's got Sailing into Freedom stamp of approval, people. I know what you're thinking, people, and it simply isn't true. Yes, there is a very hairy exterior, similar to a Calico caveman. Yes, I understand that. But beneath lies a very sensitive, evolved... Look, evolved. I've got a Delos shirt on. Sailing into Freedom shirts are a bit dirty, people. Wash day next week. But as I was saying, beneath this very hairy exterior, there's someone that can teach these ladies to gradually evolve into the beautiful human beings that they can eventually be. I almost forgot my lines there, people. Actually, I don't have lines, I'm just making it up as I go along. I've realised it's not good to come in too heavy too fast. I can't teach them too much too quickly. After all, they are young ladies from the city. Essentially, they've learnt to turn on a tap. Voila, there's water. They've learnt to go to the supermarket and there's a hunk of meat. So we have to take it slow, people. Otherwise, the psychological damage could be insurmountable. So that's right, I've decided the first lesson is to learn how to kill. We're going spearfishing today with the girls, and I've given them a book, and they have to remember the fish that they can hit. Okay, what's the, go to the first pages. What are the first pages?
Yeah.
Give us the verdict on those.
So, not for eating.
Not for eating.
Not for eating.
No. It's the other way round.
Also not for eating.
Also not for eating, just observing the beauty.
Yeah. For kissing.
Yes.
Yeah.
For kissing, if you can get close enough, excellent.
This is for feeding.
That's will feed one, yes. And what about this one? These will swim up to you. They're massive.
Yeah.
You're going to shoot one of those?
Oh, these are for admiring.
Yeah, they're for fishermen, line fishing. That's what they do. I don't agree with sport fishing, but that's what they do. Anything on this page?
Yeah, we can eat the barracuda.
Yep.
And
that one. I don't know what that's called.
Tilefish. Sand tilefish.
So you should know your fish species and the sizes. Because usually in some countries there are rules on the sizes.
Mm-hmm. They're Shakespeare fishes. Hamlet.
Oh, Hamlets.
Yeah.
You could recite some poetry whilst
These
you
are
shoot them to death. Alas, poor Yorick, I knew him. Bang! Well...
To be or not to be. You're
not going to be today.
That's a classic. Well done. All right, I think your porridge is burning.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Welcome to Dodgy Spear Changing Rubber Technique 101, people. We've got two very lovely ladies that want to learn to spearfish, and I bought some special rubber. So what we're going to do is going to replace this rubber. Now, as you can see how it's pretty awful. Okay, that was about to break here. There we go, see how it popped? Okay, and I'll give these rubbers to the gooners because they still got plenty of life up here. And you simply pop that out. This is the bridle line. Okay, and this is what locks in to these little, well, I don't know what you call it, these little hooks, little fins. Okay, this line is still good, as you can see. There you go, people. This is still good. It's got a little bit of frame, but that's still good. And these balls you just got to jam in to the new rubber. Okay, now these are good. See these ones, people? These inserts are good because you can replace the bridle line without redoing the rubbers. Okay, here's the kit. Now, do we have that soap? Someone
There
put my
was
soap
soap.
away. Oh, there's some soap in there?
Yeah.
Get it out, okay. Because we need to lubricate stuff up. Okay. Will I put these ones in? No, I'm gonna leave those. I'm gonna give you girls balls. We'll need that. Use that. I'm gonna use that. I'll see if I got some of those balls left. I should have. There we go. Got some new balls, people. We'll put some balls on it. Don't like seeing balls. Okay, now you both got. Hold them up. Okay, girls. You're starting spearfishing. You now got a pair of balls. Hey, all of that weight for that joke, people. I just thought of it. It's not even that funny. Still, all my female viewers are going, oh, Pluck, yeah, just when I started watching you, you start saying stupid stuff again. It's not the Wisdom Channel. We're going to put this lovely new rubber.
Yeah, so soft.
How good is that? Now, this is not to say that the females are the weaker sex. These are really good rubbers, people. It's just that they're more for girls. I'm not saying anything more. Come on.
Yeah, you better not.
I mean, she'd be fine with the big stuff anyway. So what we're going to do is we're going to shove it in. We don't have to put it in the gun yet. We can do one. So we get this device. Load in the ball from the bridle like so, and then try to ram it into this hole in the rubber. It's going to be tough. I haven't done it with the little rubber. I can imagine it's going to be really hard. It can be a bit tricky because look at the size of the loader, and the hole in the rubber is really, really small. I've never done it with these thin rubbers before, people. I just thought I'd let them do it. It's a bugger, isn't it?
It's not working.
Yeah. I mean, if you just looked at physics, you'd go, oh, that's going to be pretty hard.
Yeah, sure.
I mean,
Yeah.
even if
Tiny
you don't know
hole.
physics, it's gonna be like, this is a tiny hole and that's a big tube.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Oh, baby! Oh!
You are one strong chickie babe. Ah, very good. So you pulled it out, so it's all good. Done. All right. Your turn.
Okay.
Katrina. There's a bit of water in that. That's it. Yep. That's it. Keep that left hand dry.
Mm-hmm.
Who's having fun, people? It's about an all-round learning experience.
Sorry.
This is a non-swearing channel. Did you get the memo, Katrina? Or if you're going to say it, really mean it. Not a little squeak.
Oh, I'm gonna be the one editing.
Oh, yeah. No. Keep it in, but just put a beep on it.
Oh.
But
Sure.
make sure you put the beep just enough off it so people know what you're sort of saying without knowing what you're saying. That's the trick, people. Yep, keep it going. Keep it going. Oh, baby! Yeah! All right, now you need to really squeeze that and now eject this, whatever you call this, the loader, and keep it in that same position. All right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's it. All right, Clove, hitch it. And then under that. That's it. And then pull it. There we go. What? Dialio, okay. Dialio, here you go. All right, well, cangrejo?
Sí, vamos por acá.
Okay, gracias. Well, that was good. I gave away the rubber and we gave it a little bit of string. I'm actually running low, so I can't give away too much anymore, but any rubber's better than nothing for them because they got nothing. There is soap and water on the rubber, so as we tighten the line, it won't cut it. Go, muscles, go. That's it. Oh, that's it. Perfect. Okay, and see what we do is we just simply fluff it up.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you hit that with the flame, it'll ball up. All your strength. Jesus, that's good. That's it. Hey, you got it. Well done. This is what it's like to stuff a turkey with a very tight bum hole, people. Now, I hope the girls are going to be able to load these because we haven't even tested them yet. We've done our first rubbers.
Nice.
And yes, I know what rubbers are in America, but these are clearly for something else, people. Let's go shoot something!
Yeah!
I made a mistake, people, before. I was talking about a thong and I forgot. In Australia, thongs are... This is a thong, people. It's a thong. But I was talking to the girls, and we need to get thongs on. And they're going...
Yeah, I thought they were G-strings.
So,
Yeah.
we need to find some old thongs, these thongs, flip-flops, on one of these islands, because they've washed up from the East Caribbean, because there's like 1 billion of them. And we need to cut them and sit as a pad, so you protect your chest. Okay, good, excellent. Breastplate. When loading the rubbers, the butt of the gun is rammed into your chest, so a bit of a flip-flop as a breastplate makes it easier for you. Steffi hit it, but it was right at the end of the tether. As you can see, she moved back a bit when lining up. If she didn't do that, she would have pierced the bottle. Katrina has problems equalising. Okay, we're going. No good, still painful? And it wouldn't clear? No. I thought I'd just stop it right there, people, because this is quite an important sort of topic, and I don't think I even explained it to the girls well enough, so I thought I'd do it again for everyone. I apologise for the red eyes, people. I only just got back from the boat show and I didn't sleep, like, at all. Not partying, just, well, lots of work. I was working lots. I didn't actually party that much at all. So, about pain and equalising. There shouldn't be ever any pain in equalising. You don't go dive down and then go, oh, there's some pain, I will now equalise. You should be preemptively stopping the pain by equalising as you go down, every few metres. Or after a while you get to work it out. 2, 3, 4 metres. As you keep on going down and down, you can equalise less because the pressure difference is, comparatively speaking, less as you go down. Now, so if it's one ear, if one ear is good and the other ear is bad, still just stop, because you're going to cause damage. And if you cause damage, you're not going to be able to equalise in the future more. If you perforate your eardrum, you'll get infections. Just don't do it. So if you can't do it, if you can't go down, if it starts to hurt, just stop. You can actually, we'll do it in the next episode where you go down vertically with your feet first. But some tips that I picked up. Don't have dairy products because, well, for me, and I know for a lot of other people, and we all know, it's proven now, that eating dairy products creates mucus. And mucus gets into your sinuses and it makes it harder to equalise. So if you can avoid butter, cheese is a big one for me, milk, ice cream, all the fun stuff, people. Yes, if you want to be a good diver, you should, not have dairy. Now, this is a bit of a polarising topic, so I'm not going to go into it more. But if you think about it, sorry, I can't help myself. From first principles, milk, isn't it for a cow?
It's very good. It's as good as the first day. Hopefully better.
Yeah,
the first
but the first day we all got sick, violently sick. Yeah, we got snapper. It's all good. It's good. Except we had a bit of a disaster freediving because none of the girls could equalise properly. Katrina can't equalise at all. See, there's no pop at all. There's no movement. You can't feel anything.
No, I can feel it when I'm on land.
Yeah.
But not underwater. Because maybe I haven't tried it underwater before.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so when you go beyond 2.5 meters, it's painful, right?
Yeah.
Right. And what about you, Steffi? You still got to the bottom.
Yeah, I still got to the bottom.
But-
I could equalize the right ear,
Yeah.
but on the left ear.
And so it hurt, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so next time it hurts, just don't push it, okay? So we might have a bit of a disaster here because I was planning on doing lots of freediving with these girls. So I don't know what to do. We can do shallow spearfishing, but the good stuff with caves and the wreck, and there's other wrecks too to go. So we're gonna have to, well, maybe we can solve the problem.
We can train on the anchor.
Yeah, we're gonna train on the anchor and see if we can get over it. And we're not eating any more chocolate because it's mucus forming, people. We're gonna try what we can. Yeah, anyway, so a bit of things don't always go to plan, but the dinner's good. Touch wood. Let's hope we just don't get violently sick.